Hi friends, welcome back to Cadable. This is Engineer Brahim Umar, and in this tutorial we will learn how to model a pipe in SolidWorks using a 3D sketch. This method is widely used for piping systems and routed components. So here you can see that I am using SolidWorks 2020, but if you are using a below version of SolidWorks or a future version of SolidWorks, you can still follow this tutorial. So let's go to here, new, select part and select OK. And now we are in SolidWorks interface. So first of all, I will change my background to plain white and I will set my units to mmgs, which is millimeters grams second. So let's create the path for the pipe. So let's go to here, sketch, and here I will choose this option, 3D sketch. So first I will create a random sketch and then we will dimension it. So let's go to here, line command, and here I will create one line in this direction. This is not the correct plane, this is the XY plane. So I have to switch this from XY plane to YZ plane or ZY plane. So I will press tab from my keyboard and now you can see I am in YZ plane. Now I will create one line like this in the YZ plane and then I have to change my plane again. So press tab. Now go back. This is also not the correct plane. Okay. Now I will create one line like this. And then this is also not the correct plane, XY plane. I have to switch this. Now that's fine. I will create one line like this. Or maybe I will create one line like this in the ZX plane. Okay. So let's say this line is parallel to Z axis. This line is parallel to Y axis. This line is parallel to X axis and so on. Now let's dimension this. Let's say this dimension is 900 millimeters and this dimension is 1500 millimeters. I will select this line, this line, this line, and this line, and I will make them equal. Similarly, I will select this line and I will select this line and I will make it equal. Now you can see sketch is fully defined and here I have to apply some fillet as well. So go to here, sketch fillet, and I will select the whole sketch like this. I will change the fillet from 10 millimeters to, let's say, 150. Here you can see the preview and select OK. Press cancel. Now you can see the path of the sweep is completed and I have to create the profile now. So I will exit this sketch. So for making profile, just go to here, features, and then reference geometry, create plane. And here I have to create a reference plane. So I will select this line and I will select this point. Okay. Now you can see the plane. I will select OK. And I have to create a profile on this plane. So go to here, sketch. I will select this plane. And here I will create a circle like this. Go to here, smart dimension, and let's apply 200 millimeters and I will exit this sketch. I will hide this plane. Okay, now it is ready to sweep. So let's go to here, swept boss, And here you can see I have two options. Sketch profile, I have already created this profile, or circular profile. So if I am using SolidWorks version 2016 or newer, so this circular profile option is available. And if I am using SolidWorks version 2015 or below version, so this option is not available. That's why I have explicitly created this profile. Okay. So here, let's use this option, sketch profile. I will select this circle, and for the path, I will select this one. Here you can see the preview of a 3D pipe, but it is a solid pipe. It is not a hollow pipe. So I have to create it hollow. So here you can see this option, thin feature. You can create this thickness using shell command as well. So here I am using this option, thin feature, and here you can see the preview. So it is 1/2 inch and it is 12.7. 1 inch is equivalent to 25.4 millimeters. So it would be like 12.7. Here you can see the direction. And I will select OK. So here you can see the preview of 3D pipe. Lastly, I will apply some appearance or texture onto this pipe. So let's go to here, appearance. And here you can see I have different materials like plastic, metal, rubber, glass, etc. So I will go to here, metal. So here you can see I have different subcategories as well, like steel, chrome, aluminum, bronze, brass, copper, etc. So I will go to this option, steel, and here you can see different appearances like polished steel, brushed steel, and let's use maybe this one. Here you can see different grains on this pipe. So that's how you can create a 3D pipe inside SolidWorks using 3D sketch command. Here is an important message, as some students were approaching me. If you do like some personal guidance, I offer one-to-one session for engineers, students on AutoCAD, SolidWorks, ANSYS, different engineering topics, assignments, and even in final year project. You can reach me through my email, and I will be providing my email in the description link. So that concludes this exercise. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query regarding this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.